Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn a new topic, that is our need for water. So let's begin.
Can you tell student, sometimes tears flow from your eyes? Yes student, when you cry, the tears start flowing from your eyes. Our mouth water when we see a tambourine pot. Yes, correct student, when we see a tambourine pot, our mouth started watering.
Our nose runs when we have a cold. Isn't it student? When you have a cold, your nose runs and you are not feeling well also.
When we get a cut, it bleeds. Yes, correct student, when we get a cut, wherever in our body, it starts bleeding. Tears, saliva, water running from nose and blood are present in our body. They are a substance that flow. They contain water. To it children, take a slice of lemon and squeeze it hard. What do you see? Juice flows out of the lemon slice. Yes, correct student. When you squeeze the lemon, the juice flows out from it. When you want to make a lemonade student, try this.
Student, why do we feel thirsty? Do you know? When there is a lack of water in our body, we feel thirsty. Understood student? Student, we need water if our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leaves our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all time.
Can you tell student, which animal are drinking water at the river bank? Yes, correct student. Elephant and zebra are drinking water at the river bank. In many villages, cows, buffaloes and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Animals bathe themselves in it. Student, birds like lapwing, kingfisher and egret can also be seen around the water sources. Student, people from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home, but water in the public source has to be kept clean. Student, animals feel thirsty too. They drink water to quench their thirst. Student, some animals live in water. Water is their home. Student, an animal's whether living on land or in water, they need water to stay alive. People who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail. But there are thousands of other animals we do not realize that they do need water. As you see in the picture, these animals also need water. Children, why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? Wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So, people too go there in order to sight the wild animal. Uses of water. Children, As you see in the picture, water is very important in our life. Water is used for drinking, cooking food, extinguishing fire, bathing, washing clothes. Student, water is also useful for watering the plant, brushing teeth, washing utensils, cleaning fruits and vegetables. So student, water is used in many ways. Student, water is an essential natural resource for sustaining life. Water forms 60% of our body weight. Water is a renewable and limiting resource. About 3/4 of Earth's surface is occupied by oceans. About 97% of the Earth's water is strong saline. The rest 3% is fresh water. Pure usable water on land is only 0.3%. So student, water is very important in our life. Student, try this. Take 2 potted plants of equal growth. Label them as 1 and 2. Every morning for the next 5 days, water only one plant. Do not water plant number 2. Now student, after 5 days, what do you see? You see that plant 2, which was not watered, slowly dries up. Plant 1 look fresh and green. Now student, what does this tell us? That plant also need water to live. Now student, usage of water. We need water for agriculture and industry as well. Water is very important in our lives. Farmers water the crops in their field. Student, the trees in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get water? They need. So, the answer is that student, rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Some plants like bulrushes grow only in water. We can try our best to grow them in soil, but they cannot survive there. The lotus water, chestnut and hyacinth are also plants that grow in water.
Student, now there is a homework for you. Filling the blanks with correct words from the brackets. Now student, in the bracket the answer has given and you have to write the correct answer in the given blank. So let me do the first one for you. Water keeps the blood dash. Student, water keeps the blood thin. Correct. Now the rest one you have to do on your own.
The next is answer the following. Question number 1. In summer, why do we eat plenty of fruits like watermelons and cucumbers? So the answer is, in summer the weather is very hot. We feel thirsty because there is a lots of loss of water from the body as we sweat a lot. So watermelon and cucumber helps to maintain the water in the body.
Question number 2. How is the water useful to us? Yes, the water is useful to us for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning and cooking. Now, question number 3. Where does the rainwater flow into? The answer is the rainwater flows into ponds, lakes and rivers. Some of it goes under the ground. Question number 4 is, what is the main source of water? Yes, the main source of water is rain.